So figure shows ditch uh, with the approach roads at 15 degree. What minimum speed should a motorbike be moving so that it safely crosses the ditch? So there is a motorbike has got its own length, right? So the after crossing the ditch, motorbike should be here. So the actually while starting to cross, the front wheel should be near the ditch, right? And when it has crossed, the rear wheel should be near the ditch. So the motorbike is in projectile motion, and that projectile motion making an angle 15 degree. So this is u. So here the range of the projectile, here the range of this motorbike or projectile should not be the distance, this horizontal displacement only. It should be the horizontal displacement or 11.7, plus you should also add the length of the bike along with it. So the length of the motorbike is 5 feet. So the range should be equal to how much? So 11.7 plus 5, so 16.7 feet. So there it is. If you draw it in a simplified way, projectile is like this, okay? Because here you have, remember, here you have the front wheel and the rear wheel of the bike, and here you have the front wheel here, right? So just with this distance, so 11.5, you have to add 5 feet, that is the length of the bike, okay? So you know the formula for range. If you remember the formula for range, what was that? Range is equal to u square by g sine 2 theta. So here range is 16.7 feet, and g, it is in fps system, so g is 32 feet per second square. Theta is equal to 15 degree, and you have to find out u. So 16.7 is equal to u square by 32 into sine 2 into 15, that is sine 30. So so you can write u is equal to root over of 16.7 into 32 into 2. So that is equal to, so if you simplify this as, or say approximately you take this 16.7 as 16 only, so then you get approximately u as 32 feet per second square.